So this is where all the magic happens. As you can see, those are my lights, and then my camera sits over the top of my iPad. And this is where I take the iPad and do the editing. And when I find the time to actually do some oil painting, I do it over there. So I just want to show you my piece de résistance is this table. It's a door that I painted white. I think the most expensive things are obviously the iPad Pro, but if you just want to do painting videos, then you just need some secondhand camera, which I've got is a Canon, Apple Pen, and that's pretty much it.